Hi everyone, it's Ida. Today I want to show you how you can utilize this information on your blog or your website. So this information is basically just to copy and paste this information on your website, and you're going to get this image along with the link to a great video where you can educate your clients on some of the options that they may or may not be aware of when it comes to reverse mortgage. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to add it to a page, and I'm also going to add it to a blog so that you guys can see how that would work and how easy it is. So the first thing is log into your website. Again, if you have admin rights to your website, this would work the same way. You just have to make sure that you're in the HTML section of your editor. If you have a corporately provided website and you don't really have access to it, please forward this information to your webmaster and or your support group, and they'll be able to go ahead and do that for you. So I'm going to go in and just create a new post, and I'm just going to do testing here, just so you might want to put, reverse mortgage options you may not have thought of, etc. So when you come down here, you're going to see two tabs. One of them says a visual and the other one says text. Now the visual aspect of it is basically what you want to type in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here, and then I want to insert Bob's code here. So the way that I do that is I click over and I'm going to just copy this information, just highlight and copy, and come back here. Now you need to make sure that you click on the text tab. Make sure that you're in the text tab so that you're putting in HTML code. I'm going to go ahead and just paste this. Now you just have to make sure that these are spaced right. In some cases, if they're not spaced, make sure that there is spaces if it's not working right. So I just went ahead and pasted, and I'm going to go ahead and publish. Actually, I'm going to do a save draft. All right, so let's take a look at that. I'm just going to right mouse click and open it in the new tab. And there you go. And again, you can put other information in here, etc. So when I click on this link, so you can already tell that that's hyperlinked. When I click on this link, it's going to take me to the website, Bob's website, where your clients can put in their information and who they were referred by, and go ahead and play this great video. All right, so that was a blog post. And again, if you wanted to use a smaller image, then the code is here. So you can go ahead and do that. Now, the only thing that's different is basically this width and height. So if you're savvy enough, you might want to just test it. So let me just show you how you can come in here, click on the text tab, and you can actually modify it right here as well. So I can come in here and say it's going to be 300 by 197. And then I'm going to go ahead and save. All right, now let's take a look at it, and it's going to have the smaller image. So if you wanted to, if you're going to advertise it in somewhere that's smaller, then you can use a smaller image. All right, so the next thing is I want to show you how you can add a page. So we go to Pages, Add New. And again, it's going to work the same exact way. You would give it a title. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go ahead and copy this information. Come back to my page. And in this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put the video. So I'm just going to go under, make sure that I'm under the text tab and not the visual tab. I want to make sure I'm on the text tab. I'm just going to paste this information here. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just saving it as a draft, but you would go ahead and click publish. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this, and there you go. That's on my website. And again, this works the same way for all the other websites that you're looking for. You just need to make sure that you're in the HTML code section and just copy and paste this information. Make sure that there is some blank or spaces in between so that they're not all blending together. And there are some different images with different sayings, so you are welcome to use whichever one you would like. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you and have a blessed day.